Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping and removing the spacebar quickly. Power off the keyboard, then use a keycap puller or thin flathead to lift the keycap straight up to avoid bending. Once removed, look closely at the stabilizer bar and plastic clips. You're checking for gunk, broken clips, or a misaligned metal wire. If you spot debris, aim compressed air at the area and brush lightly. Make sure to keep parts organized so reassembly is painless. Once the stabilizer is accessible, remove the metal wire carefully and clean it with isopropyl on a cloth to remove oils and dirt. Next, apply a thin, even layer of keyboard-safe lubricant to the stabilizer's plastic contact points and the rail where the wire sits. This reduces friction and the rattly sound. Also inspect the switch stem under the spacebar. Clean the stem and put a minimal dab of lube on the stem rails if they rub. Reassemble by aligning the stabilizer wire into its clips and pressing the spacebar keycap down evenly until it snaps. Then test the key with several presses to let the lubricant settle and to listen for remaining noise. If travel feels uneven, reseat the wire or shift the keycap slightly until both sides move together. If a scratching or rattling sound remains, inspect for cracked clips or a bent wire. Replace the damaged stabilizer part as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.